Hi, this is another video. I'm trying Strum, pick out Strum for each chord just to ensure that the quality of chords is good and I'm not missing any of the notes. So I'll start with D. Um, so it's Strum and then pick out. So basically all notes are clear and then another Strum. Okay. So Strum, pick out and Strum. So that's for D. Now let's try A. Strum, pick out looks clear and then Strum. Now let's try E. Strum. Oops, the pickup wasn't clear. Let's see where we are missing. Yep, that's clear. And Strum. So let's leave the fingers. Again put the fingers on E just to be sure this time we are doing it right. Strum. Pick out. All clear. And Strum. Right. That was E. Let's try E minor. Strum. Pick out. And Strum. Let's try A minor. Strum. Pick out. And Strum. Let's try C. Strum. Oops, this isn't clear. Let's see where we are wrong. Okay, now it looks good. So as usual, we'll leave our fingers. We'll re-put them on C. And then we'll do it once again. So Strum, pick out, all clear, and Strum. Right? That was C. Let's try G. So G, people do it either this way or this way. It's your choice on how do you want to do it. I'll do it the latter way. So Strum, pick out, all clear, and Strum. Right? Let's try D minor. So as you can see, I'm pretty slow at chords right now. I'm learning. So Strum, that didn't sound right to me. Let's do it properly again. Strum, yeah, that looks good. Let's try to pick out. All good. And Strum. Right. Doesn't take too much time, but it ensures your chords are clear. If you're doing 1 minute changes pickup, I would say first you should do this. That's what actually Justin suggests, and I'm following that. It's been helpful so far.